Every day I eat breakfast at about 10 o'clock. I eat fried eggs, which is my favorite, cucumbers, tomatoes, cheese, and olives with bread. Next, I feed my dog Lucy. I give her some cooked chicken mixed with her dry food. It's her favorite meal. Then I clear the table and take everything to the kitchen. After that, I load the dishwasher. I usually put the glasses and small dishes on the top rack, and larger dishes along with knives, spoons, forks on the bottom rack. Then I put the back cushions back in place and straighten up the couch. Guess who did this? So next I fold the blankets and put them away. And again straighten up the other couch. The first thing I do every morning is take my dog Lucy for a walk. We usually walk for about 30 minutes. Then I work out for about 10 minutes. I usually do some stretching exercises to wake up my body and get ready for the day ahead. Lucy is watching me the whole time. It's so cute. And sometimes she starts playing with my husband. After that, I vacuum the house. Then I mop the floor. I like to keep the house clean and nice before I start working. And then I wipe the tables. Then I dust the decorative items on the table. This vase is my favorite one with blue flowers. I water my plants. I take the clean clothes out of the washing machine and put them in a laundry basket. Now I hang the clothes up to dry. Finally, I get changed and get ready for the day. First, I brush my hair. And clip it back. Then I do my makeup. I spray on some perfume. Finally, I put on my ring and then earrings. Finally, I head to my workplace, open my laptop, and start working. Thanks for watching.